today's live trading. My name is Anthony Njoku, and I'll be seeing you through the live trading session for New York session. We'll be going through two pairs, XAUUSD, which is gold, and GBPUSD. Okay, we're going through those two pairs. So, not to waste any more time, I'll share my screen and would show you how the market is going for today. Okay, so on the left you see gold, and on the right you see DXY is the strength of dollar. And let's start with DXY on the right. Let's start with DXY on the right. DXY on the right has come back into this order block here, this 4 hours order block here. Okay, and it mitigated the order block before and dropped, came back, mitigated it, came back, dropped, and now mitigated the order block again with this candle and dropped. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, DXY is already losing strength. So from here now, this is a resistance. If it was meant to break, we're meant to see a massive impulsive candle to break DXY. So dollar is weak against every other currency. Okay, and when I say currency, I'm talking about euro, pounds. Yes. So on the left hand side we see gold, and what I see for gold is we expected gold to come back into this order block here. This is a bigger order block for hours, so we refined it and got this particular order block here. That's where we placed our trade. I think that we refined the order block and found it on the 30 minutes. No, that's not the 30 minutes on. I think it's 15 minutes order block we used. No, not the 15 minutes. Let's see the 45 minutes. Yeah, we use the 45 minutes order block, but I can see the market respected the 30 minutes order block instead. Or it has not done that. It has not respected any order block yet. The market has not respected any order block yet. Okay, so this trade for a buy is still valid, but currently we're expecting market to drop down to come and fulfill this order block, then before we continue the push to the upside. So that's what I see currently for gold. So we'll be watching out for that. We'll be watching out for that definitely. So, but for GBP USD, GBP/USD, it's different. We have another block over here. The market has already pushed massively up for GBP. You can see that the market pushed up massively for GBP. After this push, we're expecting to come back into this other block. From this other block, we can then see what's more push to the upside for GBP into this resistance. So you can see it already has a change of character and also a market structure break to the opposite direction. So as the markets come back, pick up these trades here. There are some trades here. The market will pick it up and then continue pushing to the upside. So that's what I see. On the fundamental side of things, it's loading. Let's give some time to load. On the fundamental type of side of things, you can see euro data. Retail sales year over year is positive. Retail sales month over month is positive. And the ECB Goodall speech. Goodall spoke today. So I'll be giving out some points Goodall spoke on today. And also sentiment. Let's see what sentiment is saying. Okay, for sentiment currently for Euro USD, it is loading. So for sentiment on Euro USD, we have 61% short and 39% long. I want to follow the minority. Then on Euro USD, we have 44% long and 56% short. Okay. Why XAUUSD, which is gold, XAUUSD, we have short is 61% and long is 39%. So the market has not really gotten to my position where I wanted to long gold. It never came into our order block, so that's why we were short. Meanwhile, let's look closely on DXY on the right hand side. So on the right hand side on DXY, we can see that the market already did a market structure break, and I'm expecting it to come back into origin. I marked out an origin here, but I used a different time frame. The time frame I used to mark out my origin was the 45 minutes time frame, and also it has similar order block with the 1 hour. Okay, so that's where I see market coming into for DXY, and then when it gets into that point, we'll be expecting the drop from this place for DXY to drop further and become weak. So the same way we expect GBP to come up, come down a bit before going up. That's the same way we expect DXY to go up before coming down. Okay, so that's what I see currently for the markets. So we'll stay on the call. I'll read the speech, the ECB speech to you guys shortly. I'll read the speech to you guys shortly. Just hang on. Let me get the details. I'm looking for the details. Hang on. Trying to bring the chart back. Give me some time. Okay. Okay, so we're back. So this is what I see on gold. Just taking the sell position on gold, so we can come back to this order block. So that's just the trade for gold. The sell position to come back to this order block. Or we could just sell and take profit at this point, which is the opposing order block. But if it's for the sell position, we see a change of character, and this is the opposing order block. So we're selling just to come back to this order block, this current one. Okay, so that's the trade for gold. Then we wait for the buy setup. Okay, let me read that ECB speech to you. The points. Okay, so the speech, which was done by 9:21, although yeah, it was done by 9:21. The rapid pace of disinflation that we observed in 2023 is likely to slow down in 2024 and to pause temporarily at the beginning of the year. That's what ECB said at the start of his speech. Okay, so he said economic protests, pro, economic prospects are titled to the downside, are tilt to the downside. Economic prospects are tilt to the downside. Growth developments are more disappointing. Future ECB decisions are to continue to be data dependent. A technical recession is possible in second half 2023. A technical recession is possible in second half 2023. That was the point he made. And by 3:15 today, we have Bank of England's Governor Bailey is speaking today as well. So we'll be watchful and mindful of what he will say. Based on the 5 minutes, I see markets came here, took this liquidity here, had a change of character over here. This was a change of character, I see. If I'm working with the 5 minutes for gold. So the last green candle before that change of character was this candle. And it has not been mitigated before. So that's what I see. Well, you see DXY is increasing now on the right hand side. See, it's increasing and going back into that order block. Or the order block, let me use the 45 minutes instead. So DXY is increasing, but no massive reaction on gold because most time gold don't even ride along with the DXY. Gold does its own thing. Okay. Let's see the reaction of GBP JPY. Okay, so I called out this trade yesterday, GP JPY. Okay, and this was our refined zone where we expect market coins GP JPY for the sell setup. Okay, let's go to the higher time frame so you see what I saw. So like I told you guys, the market has liquidity up here and below here. People that trade support and resistance, they want to sell from here. So currently, that's what I see in the market for GBP. So, and they want to buy from here, sell from here, buy from here. So when the market got here, started selling. A lot of people entered this market for shorts here. Okay, and market sold, and I knew that there was a liquidity grab that was going to happen, and it has just happened. So I expecting the market to come back to this other block, which we have already refined. You see, is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour refined. The 1 hour order block though, but we refined it. I think we refined it on 45 minutes. We use so we use 45 minutes to place the trade for GBP JPY. Okay, from there we can now be seeing the market to drop to the downside for GBP JPY. Okay, so but it needs to come into this order block first. We use the 4 hours 45 minutes order block, which is much better. It gave us 37 pips stop loss, and we're aiming for about 326 pip. Which the market could go lower. It could go lower than that. It could eventually go lower than that. Okay, so watch and see. Probably when the market is done, we could just use this order block, because I can see market has already started creating a markup for us. This is an opposing order block. So most times we aim for the opposing order block. If I'm to aim for that opposing order block that I can see currently that has been created from the market and needs to be filled, okay, and which will come back to fill, we see we have about 1 is to 4.72. Is about 174 pips move. Okay, let me see if I can adjust it to 1 is to 5. Okay, we got a 1 is to 5 trade there. It's 185 pip move. Okay, so when the market comes there and sweeps that order block, then we're in here, we're out here. 1 is to 5 trade move. Okay, so that's what I see mainly for GPJPY. We still need to wait. So with that said, let me see what Euro is doing. Okay, based on Euro, the statements today made by 9 o'clock to be precise, it gave the market some volume though, and the market went up, but no much move, and it's going down. I wanted to use the opportunity of the market coming down to make some trades on Euro USD. Okay, just the corrective structure, but I see it didn't get to this point. Just like gold, we are trading the corrective part of gold. So that's what I saw. So currently, I think gold needs to fill this place, this point over here, and then you see some drop coming in. There has been a rejection here already for gold. This rejection, that's where our stop loss is, above that rejection. Okay. Okay, so let me have my eye on GBP USD, which is one of the major trade I see for GBP USD and DXY by the right. You see it's doing almost the same thing. DXY is going down, this candle is going down. Okay, GPS is going up. If this candle was going up, this candle will be going down, I'm on the 45 minutes on DXY, I'm also on 45 minutes on GBP. Although they don't really look alike 100%. Let me go to 15 minutes instead. Yes. So 15 minutes is much better. So I'm not surprised that GP is currently going up because I can see DXY is going down. We need to be patient with it. We need to be patient. The correction will be done. After that, we continue to move to the upside. That's what I see. Okay, so let's check out Bitcoin. I spoke about Bitcoin yesterday. Okay, so for Bitcoin, I said, wow, there was a manipulation on Bitcoin. I said Bitcoin will come and tap into here, which it did. But I can see it came up, took everyone out, and started dropping again. So that was a manipulation on Bitcoin, and it happened okay, yesterday night. Happened yesterday night. Okay, but it created a new order block now, which I know definitely this order block will be respected on the 1 hour. The rejection cycle is gradually playing out. This time around, our stop loss will be above this previous high because the other one was manipulation. So this is the trade for Bitcoin I see now. And we're going down into this zone. It will be a massive correction, massive one. Okay, so GPUSD is still playing around with us, but we'll be patient. It's a patience game. Patient one. Although this afternoon we had the USA MBA mortgage application. That news was released by 1 o'clock today. Let me refresh this. I'm trying to get the figures. Okay. Okay, so the MBA application, the figures are out. We have US MBA mortgage application minus 10.7% was the previous data, and the current data is 9.9%. Mortgage applications, MBA mortgage applications, those who applied for mortgage. Then we have US MBA 30 years mortgage rate. 30 years mortgage rate, which was 6.76%, and then current data is 6.81%. So it is higher. This we are seeing is by 3:15. ECB Government Bali speaks. So I think that could be the news that could drive GBP USD as we expect. We just need to be patient. This is a 1:3 risk to reward game. And over here, I see 19 pips stop loss, 57 pips take profits. And it's a pro trend. Why? It's a pro trend because we're in direction with the trend. And we got that order block on 15 minutes. The sell setups are catching up these 5 minutes. So we have some sell orders open there, 0.531k, and it has 9.13% chance of moving the market. Then this is where the buys are for on the 5 minutes order block. You have 1.486k and it has 7.18% chance of moving the market. So for me, I can expect the drop to start applying on GPUSD. There was a change of character before 12:30. The market came back into this order block to pick up some trades so that it can complete its down move. Scalpers could take hold of this trade opportunity, just scalpers. So scalpers would want to risk 10 pips above here and aim for down here, which is 1:3. No, scalpers could go for 25 pips drop from there. 10 pips, 25 pip drop. That's what scalpers would do. Okay. And on the right, you can see the candle on DXY is gradually changing from bearish to bullish, which means that dollar is getting strong. And you can see the reaction playing out on GBP USD. Okay. So we see what's going on now on the smaller time frame with the help of the 5 minutes chart. Market went up a bit, giving you more leverage. 25 pips drop. Well, currently I see sentiment is saying GPUSD. Let's scroll up. GPUSD, we have more sellers, which is 61% sellers and 39% buyers. Okay. And we move. Market created a high, a lower high, no, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, came back here, and now it's dropping. This is a double top formation. And see DXY 45 minutes candle moving massively, now bullish, and we see GBP reacting as we expect it to. Okay, so this is the main trade here. Main trade, but we're just trading this corrective structure. Okay, come back here, heading up here. Though I can see we have a lot of liquidity lying here. Another block. So the market just formed a double top over here. So the market respected this resistance. Okay, it respected the resistance. And since market respected this resistance, we also had a positive mortgage application news by one. This was by one when it was announced. No, this is it. After the announcement, the next and the announcement was done exactly in that order block. Okay, so that was like an entry signal, and the next candle was a reddish candle, and the market consolidated for some time for other traders to get in, and now we're pushing down, which it has 9.13% chances to continue dropping. DXY on the other hand, on the right, you see, is going to this other block. This is the other block. So this is a 45 minutes candle. Okay, and this other block is going to close in about a minute and 40 seconds. So before I get to this other block, we are taking the opportunity of the drop. Okay, this 25 pips drop for scalping. Okay, that's just scalping the cells. This is a scalp trade. 10 pips stop loss, 25 pips take profits. I made it 25 pips take profits. 25 pips take profit, because I had such scalp idea on Euro USD, but Euro didn't come to the block I wanted it to come into before I scalp it. Okay, that was where I expected Euro to come into before we scalp, but the chances of it coming back there has dropped. So this is the new possibility I see on Euro over here. You see that you have 0.663k and 9.19 possibility of the market dropping from that point, which it has not gotten to on euro, but on GBP it has. Okay. Okay. The sellers in the market now will be happy. The GP is selling, euro is selling, but we have the master order block where the market is coming to over here for euro, and this is as well a scalp trade, 7 pips stop loss, 21 pips take profit, but it's 1:3 though. But the market didn't even get into that order block on 5 minutes for euro. On the right, you can see the new candle has started forming for DXY, and gold is now dropping massively. After it got to that order block, we expected it to close to it though, but it didn't get fully into it. Okay, this is the first target. Target 1 is here, where we have an opposing block. Then target 2 is, let's see how many pips target 1 is. Target 1 is about 84 pips. That's about 1:1.2 or 1.3. Okay. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. So let's watch out. Let's watch price action play out. Okay. Let me see what happened on the 1 minute. Okay. So go just create a new break of structure and a new order block for entry over here, which if we see a reversal back to this order block, the market could continue selling. This is now the new resistance and also the new area of interest. Okay, the market is moving gradually. Let's see what GBP is doing. GBP is moving. As you can see, DXY is moving as well. GBP is going up. Spiking up. I think he wants to grab some trades before he moves down. So GBP came back into that order block and is now dropping down. Just like we see DXY, it's going back into here. So let's see if I take Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low. you can see exactly that the market is close to the 50 and 62 Fibonacci points. So the chances are the market is going to go to this 62 Fibonacci retracement points before it drops. Okay, so we can see DXY is on the right is going up massively, and as well GBP is following along. A new 1 hour candle has just opened up, and it's still going up. So this current 1 hour candle, this is the order block is heading into the same order block as at the 45 minutes. Okay, so on the 45 minutes chart now, the market is currently at the 50% Fibonacci points, but we have the order block over here. So that's where we see the market heading to. Market is pushing strongly. Let's see gold. What is gold doing? Gold is going down as well, very fast. And I think it is okay. It is moving down. It's not close to our candle yet. Okay, so we see on the right hand side that this candle is also massive and green and moving up, which is the strength of DXY. It's increasing. Together with the mortgage, we know we have mortgage application by one that was announced. So that was a good data. So that is also an encouragement in the United States that the dollar is good based on the mortgage, because the banks make money from mortgage. Okay. So since they make money from mortgage, them having a lot of mortgage applications, and also some mortgage applications of 30 years, which is money that we pay to the government in 30 years, is good that it is increasing as well. Some people that applied for that one increased massively. So that would be a supporting factor that is helping the dollar to go down. Okay. Okay. Based on these swings, this swing low and this swing high over here, we take this from here, swing low, swing high, and we see over here is 50% retracement point. Okay, let's adjust it properly. So most times the market aims for the golden zone. This is what I call the golden zone. Okay, okay. So we're heading for that golden zone. On the 1 minute, there was another block currently where the market is. So that market went to pick that other block over here. You can see. So the market picked that. There is some trades there. So the market is currently picking that other block. That's for GP USD. Okay. Okay, so the market disrespected that other block. Based on the 45 minutes, I can see on the right hand, that's DXY. There was a little rejection at the 50% Fibonacci point. So I think it's the rejection that is playing out. And the 1 hour is trying to create a wick. The 1 hour candle is trying to create a wick. Okay. Market tapped back into this other block, or did it or doesn't it? The 5 minute order block. The market is close to the 5 minute order block again. Okay. market price action playing out. And the market is also creating a structure though. Let's go to the 1 minute. Okay, so this is the structure I see. Market came back to the entry. So this is the structure I see currently. The rejection on the 4 hour, 45 minutes, that's why the market is pushing up. This looks like an ascending wedge. Looks like an ascending wedge. And see on the 45 minutes on DXY on the right, there's a little rejection on the red candle. So that could be the reason why the market is reacting the way it's reacting. Let me see if there is any announcement that was made. Okay, we see. Okay. US Treasury Secretary Yellen, significant work remains to lower costs for consumers. Okay. So I think we need to exit. Because that was an ascending wedge and the market just respected that ascending wedge. We need to exit the trade. If the market closes above that, that's for the scalpers though, because there was a scalp trade in play. Good, no much move on gold. So there's a change of character. Okay. There's a change of character. Let's see what gold is doing. It's moving up. Getting close to our entry. The dollar is losing strength. Euro just got into the order block we were mentioning back then. Yeah, that's what I see. Euro just got into that order block. This order block. Let's see what GP is doing. GP went to fill this order block, I believe. Well, this ascending wedge was taken. Heading back down. GPUSD. Do you want to pick those trades up? These trades over here. On the 45 minutes, you see the market is now reversing. That's on the DXY on the right hand side. Okay. Gold is still moving as expected. We just need to let the market do its thing. GBP is going the other direction. Dollar is losing some strength. Let me see if there is a speech going on. My name is Anthony Njoku, and I'm your host for today. And today's topic is mastering the art of forex trading, the best forex strategy in the world. Forex mastery, the best forex strategy in the world. Okay. My name is Anthony Njoku, and I'm your host for today. And today's topic is mastering the art. Okay, so it's going to pick these trades here, and now it's going down. The new 45 minutes candle is formed. And now I think the drop is going to happen massively because every trade here has been taken. And the new 45 minutes candle is formed on DXY, which we can see some major push going up for DXY and going down for GPUSD. Okay, gold is going down. It's going down smoothly. But GP is still dancing around. So I think we'll call this a wrap. Any other information will be sent in our Telegram channel. So dive down to our Telegram channel. The link is going to be on the description. Okay. And tomorrow we'll be trading USCPI live. Okay, so watch out. We'll be trading USCPI tomorrow live. It's going to be massive. This is exactly by 1 o'clock. That's when we'll start the trading session. So don't miss it out. Okay. Have a wonderful trading day.